Hey guys, this week we are talking about dictionary use, primarily about dictionary terms or definitions that have like multiple meanings to them. So this week you're just kind of reviewing over when you look things up online or you look things up in an actual dictionary. There's typically more than just one definition for that word. So the best way to figure out the meanings of words, even when you're looking them up in a dictionary or online, is to use context clues. Context means everything. How is that word used in the sentence? What is the story even about? So you can figure out which definition best matches what you're looking for. Otherwise, if you just pick the first definition option under a word in the dictionary or online, it doesn't mean it's right because it doesn't fit the context. It doesn't fit what the sentence was saying. So you do have to use context clues when you're using a dictionary or looking up words online. Context clues are your best friend ultimately when it comes down to figuring words out. So using a dictionary won't help you much if you're not using it correctly. So I'm just going to review a very simple dictionary definition for you to kind of give you insight on some of your assignments and things like that this week. So if you can see up here on the board, I have the dictionary entry for the word fly. And so I know this is written really close together-ish, but it's meant to be. Dictionaries, for some reason, I guess they're trying to fit as much as they possibly can, but even online, all seem to have like the definitions all shoved together. And the only thing that typically separates these different definitions are these little numbers here. So you can see a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. That tells you that the word fly has at least 4 different definitions to it. So you have to look at your sentence and figure out which definition is the correct one. So our sentence says, because Amy's alarm didn't go off when it was supposed to, she had to fly to work. All right, so if we just look up the word fly in the dictionary or online, our first definition is a small insect with wings. If you put that down, you would be wrong, right? It doesn't fit our sentence. Because Amy's alarm was late, she had to be a small insect to work. Like, it doesn't make sense, right? So we know that it cannot be answer number 1. So answer number 1 is not it, okay? What if is it number 2? It says to soar through the air. Because her alarm clock went off at the wrong time, she had to soar through the air to work. I mean, I guess, but it could happen if it were like a comic book or something, but I don't think Amy has the ability to literally fly or soar through the air. So I would say that doesn't fit our context either. Okay. Looking at number 3, our third definition to fly means to go very fast. So because Amy's alarm clock didn't go off when it was supposed to, she had to go very fast to work. Does that fit our sentence? Sure. Does the context make sense? Sure. But let's double check our fourth option just in case, because you never know. Sometimes one fits a little bit better than another. Our fourth option is a zippered area on a pair of pants called your fly. So because Amy's alarm clock didn't go off when it was supposed to, she had to zippered area on a pair of pants to work. Does that make sense? No. So we know number 4 does not make sense. That leaves us with our only option left that fits the context of our sentence is the definition number 3, to go very fast. Because Amy's alarm clock did not go off on time, she had to go very fast to work. She had to fly to work. So when you guys work on your assignments this week, you will be deciding and figuring out, using your context clues of that sentence and everything else, which definition fits the best. Okay? Yes, they all mean fly, but which one fits your story or your sentence the best? Because that would be the correct definition. Okay? Thanks.